be a long night.
What's that terrible noise?
Oh no!
What on earth is that sound?
Time to wake up, Chuggington!
Ah, what a glorious day. I trust we all slept well.
No!
No!
No one got any sleep at all thanks to your snoring.
Chatsworth, how many times do I have to tell you? I don't snore.
I heard you. Snoring, fit to blast birds out of the sky and chuggers off the rails.
But don't be ridiculous.
Well, if you don't believe me, how about we go to the repair shed right now and get this thing settled?
All right, you're on. And while we're there, we'll get Morgan to check out your hearing.
Brakes in excellent working order. Primary suspension in excellent working order. Fault detected. Fault detected. Unidentified objects in drain reservoir.
What's it talking about?
Looks like you have rocks in there, Harrison.
I haven't been near any rocks.
Well, what were you doing at the quarry? Bird watching?
Come on. Let's get you on the rotator and take a look.
Oh, no. Will they scratch my bodywork?
Well, that will be the least of your worries if I don't get some sleep tonight.
Don't leave me.
Eddie, Dr. Ling, I have an idea. If you could make the detector talk, it wouldn't have to do everything through V.
Ah, nice one, pal.
And I know exactly the voice to use.
Special announcement. You're looking good. Everything is working as it should. Woohoo!
Nearly there. That's ice.
Amazing. Magnifico. Bellissimo. Like an ice palace.
Enough gawking. Let's get to work. First, you cut. And then, you lift. Got it?
Yes, I see.
And watch where you're cutting, because you don't want
What was that?
to bring the whole thing crashing down.
One green signal light standing by the track. Signal light.
No chance.
Well, at least I'm trying. What are you doing?
I'm thinking.
Thinking. Always thinking. We are doomed. Trapped. Never to be found. We'll freeze and then... rust.
Talking. Always talking.
Your steam. It melts the ice.
And I thought you were the one full of hot air. Stand back.